Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Olivia. For today's video, we are diving into the Jaclyn Hill Mood Light Powder. It's a luminous powder and you can use it, so they say, to set your whole face and all that stuff, and I've been looking for a powder that makes me look glowy because I don't really like to look matte a ton, so I'm freaking excited. So if you want to see all that jazz, stay tuned and let's just get right on into this video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my base and stuff so we can see if what I usually do works with this powder. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm going to put that just right where most of my pores show. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going into this Luminous, I think it's called a jelly primer, Hydrovel, yeah. Anyways, it's the weirdest thing, you guys. You have to see this. Like, if you can see that, it's like, you probably can't see it, bro. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. It's like Jello, pretty much. You need just a tiny bit of this, honestly. Just put it all over my face. Got some leftover mascara. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Light Beige. I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics brush. This is the 123 brush, or 123, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to just put some of that on my hand and just go in. This is only my second time trying this foundation too. I liked it a lot the first time, but we're just gonna keep testing it out. And next I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer again, and it's in light beige as well. I didn't get these at the same time. Usually I'd get like a lighter shade, but as the case that I got them at different times and I'm just kind of doing the guessing game. This is and I'm just gonna blend that out with my Morphe sponge. I do like this concealer and the foundation. It's just really creamy, and I prefer that with my base products just because I feel like they stick to my skin a lot better than more watery products would. Okay, and I'm going to use this powder to set my whole face. So I'm actually going to go in with blush and bronzer and that jazz first, so that we can see really how it sets everything and also how it looks on top of powders and stuff like that. For bronzer, I'm going in with my MAC bronzer in the shade Medium Tan. Just taking a nice fluffy brush and putting that right under my cheekbones, or on my cheekbones, I would say. You kind of want to keep everything up so that it just keeps your face up. I don't know. A little bit right here. Here. And then for blush, I'm actually going in with a lipstick. I've been loving this trick lately. So this is a antimatter lipstick in the shade Solar from Luminous. And I just put some on the back of my hand. I grab a nice stippling brush. This is the one from Fair Brushes, and I just stipple that out, and then I just start patting that on my cheeks, going back and forth so that it blends out well. I really like doing this trick for blush because I feel like it looks more natural, I guess, than like powders. I don't know. I just like the finish it leaves. Okay, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of bronzer, and I'm going to contour my nose. Just taking a little bit of product and just putting that right in this area right here. Going from the top of my brow kind of and coming straight down. Okay, you guys, now it's time to show you the product itself. So firstly, here is the packaging. It is gorgeous, you guys. I love her logo. Like, it's honestly the most glam, beautiful thing I've ever seen. And this is the top. So opening it up. Voila! So beautiful. I already touched it, so that's why it's kind of got stuff on there. It's me, my fault. But anyways, it is so gorgeous. It does have that weight to it. It feels luxurious, and I just can't wait to try it on. So you open it, and it looks like that. Of course it has a protector thing there, but I also already took that off because I couldn't wait. But before we dive into this, I kind of want to explain why I was so excited to get this powder. So I'm the kind of girl that likes to look glowy. I like to look a little bit dewy. I like looking matte, but I don't love it. And I feel like matte is just this huge thing in the beauty industry right now. Everybody wants like that matte glamorous look, but I am just honestly not that into it. And I feel like the beauty industry needs more products like this. So I'm hoping this works and that I love it and that it becomes a holy grail for me. I know there's a few other powders that are similar to this out there, but there's really not that many. Plus, I think it's pretty cool that it could probably work for oily skin people because it can give you that staying power and still give you a glow. And it also works for people like me who are kind of combo dry and oily and still not make me matte, but make me glowy and give me the staying power that I need as well. So yeah, I'm praying this is amazing. I'm sure it will be. Like, it's been talked up so much, so let's dig in. Firstly, I'm gonna go back with my Morphe sponge though and just make sure everything is not, what's it called? Make sure everything is nice and evened out, no creasing, because I'm gonna use this to set my whole face because that's what I'm looking for. I don't want my makeup to move around, but I don't want to look matte as heck. Okay, you guys, so I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush in 124, and I'm just gonna, I don't know what to expect. Like, honestly, I haven't tried this yet, so this is kind of first impressions and all that jazz. So here we go. I'm just gonna start by going over my cheek. Actually, I'm just gonna rub it everywhere. I'm just gonna rub it everywhere. Onto this side. Now I'm taking a little bit more and I'm gonna go under my eye. Onto the forehead. Okay, so first impressions right now, I honestly think it looks really good. It's not like making like my little blemishes and stuff pop out a lot with the sheen. It just looks like a really healthy glow, and if you look up really close, it kind of looks like that too. It doesn't look like super matte, but I don't know how to explain it. It looks like kind of satiny, but juicy. I don't know if that makes sense, but it looks really pretty. I'm loving it so far. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna pop on some eye makeup, brows, and all that jazz, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts. Also, I'm sorry this dirty, disgusting brush is in the background the whole time. I hate it when that happens. Honestly, I have so many things on my mind right now that I'm just going crazy. Anyways, enjoy this slow-mo of me doing the rest of my face. I mean fast motion. Fast motion. Yeah. Can you tell I'm going crazy? You know when you mess up on your eyeliner and so you just keep going thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker? That just happened to me. Okay, well, I don't know what just happened, but we're going to continue. Okay, you guys, before I go in with my lipstick and highlighter, I kind of want to try putting more on and seeing if, like, you can get too much of, like, that's a possibility. So yeah, let's try this out. Here we go. I really hope there's no such thing as too much. Okay, you guys, so this is how the skin looks after everything, after setting spray, after putting more powder on. I personally love it so freaking much. It makes me look like a glowing goddess without looking greasy or shiny. It just like has this beautiful inner glow feel to it, if that makes sense. I literally think lipstick, come on, disrespect. Okay, so anyways, as I was saying, you guys, I freaking love this powder and how it made my skin look. Like, honestly, I don't think I'll ever go back to another powder again. Like, goodbye Cody, goodbye all that jazz, because your honey has found a lover. It makes me look like a freaking angel who was kissed by another angel and is just glowing so much. Thank you for watching an episode of Olivia Sucks at Descriptions. Anyways, yeah, it's amazing. It doesn't leave any tackiness. It completely sets the face. I feel like you can't go overboard with this because I put on more powder the second time, as you guys saw, and it still doesn't look shiny or anything. Like, it just looks glowy and beautiful and juicy and gorgeous. So yeah, it's amazing. I honestly think this is exactly what the beauty industry needed. Like, there's not a lot of this, and honestly, I freaking love it. And I think Jaclyn's a genius for giving out a product that, one, she's known for, and two, that she knew there like needed to be more of, because I think a lot of people are going to fall in love with this. So yeah, it's a winner. If I had to give it like stars, like I'd give it 5 freaking stars, like maybe even like more than that, honestly, you guys. Like, it looks so good. I wish you could see it in person. Like, it just makes my skin look angelic. I don't, like, if that makes sense, it looks angelic. Anyways, I think you guys get the point now, but yeah, go get yourself some of this. Again, this is in the shade Brighten Up. I think it was perfect for my skin tone. Not too light, not too dark. But yeah, it was amazing, you guys. So anyways, that is all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out so much. And yeah, like this video and leave a comment of what you might want to see next. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.